Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. And what we have here, can write this as x squared over 25 written as 5 times 5, which is 5 square, equals to, also here we have 5 square over x squared. The next step here, we cross multiply. That is, we have x squared times x squared, then also equals to 5 squared times 5 squared. Then this also follows when we have a times a, which is equals to a squared. Same thing multiplying, you can write it as x squared or square equals to, also here we have 5 square or square. Then from here, take the right hand side to the left hand side and we have x square or square minus 5 square or square equals to 0 here. Then this follows when we have a square minus b square. This same thing as a plus b into brackets, open brackets, a minus b. This here, a standing as x square and b standing as 5 square, which implies we can rewrite this and we have x square plus 5 square into bracket, also open bracket, x square minus 5 square close bracket, then equals to 0 here. This here we have two possible cases. The first one, x square plus 5 square equals to 0, or we have second case, x square minus 5 square equals to 0 here. Then when we solve from this side, this follows when we have a square plus b square, which is the same thing as a plus bi into brackets, open bracket, a minus bi close bracket. This here, what we have becomes x plus 5i into brackets, also open bracket, x minus 5i close bracket, then equals to 0 here. This here we have two possible cases as well, x plus 5i equals to 0, or we have x minus 5i equals to 0 here. When we solve from here, we have x equals to minus 5i, which is a complex solution here. Also here we have x equals to 5r, which is also a complex solution here. That is, we have two complex solutions on this side. And also solving from the second case here, which is x squared minus 5 square equals to 0. This follows when we have a square minus b square equals to a plus b into brackets, open bracket, a minus b. This here, and write this and we have x plus 5 into brackets, open brackets, x minus 5 close brackets equals to 0 here. Also, we have two possible cases. First one, x plus 5 equals to 0, or we have x minus 5 equals to 0 here. And solving here, this becomes x equals to minus 5, which is a real solution here. And here also we have s equals to 5, which is also a real solution here. This, we also have two real solutions here. And altogether we have four solutions. That is two real and two complex solutions. Then when we write it out from here, I write out the solution together. That is, here we have the first solution, x1 equals to 5. Second solution, x2, we have minus 5. And also x3, we have 5i. And x4, we have minus 5i. That is four solutions together, two real and two complex solutions. Now, when we check here, if this satisfies this given problem, y is equals to 5, this equation becomes 5 square over 25 is it equals to 25 over 5 square. 5 square, 5 times 5, also 25. then over 25. Is it equals to 25 over also 25? 25 over 25, that's 1, which is equals to 1 here as well. That is, left hand side now equals the right hand side. Then x equals to 5 satisfy this given problem. Then also we substitute x equals to minus 5. That is, this equation becomes minus 5 all square over 25. This is equals to, also here we have 25 over minus 5 all square. And when we square minus, it turns to plus. And 5 square also, that's 25. So we have plus 25, then over 25. Is it equals to, here also we have 25 over 25. 25 over 25, that's 1, which is equals to 1. Left hand side also equals to right hand side. X equals to minus 5 satisfy the given equation. Then also we substitute x equals to 5i. That is, we have 5i all square over 25. Is it equals to 25 over 5i all squared? And this square affects 5. We have 5 square times also I, we have I square over 25. Is it equals to 25 over also 5 square times I square? And here, I square is same thing as minus 1. At this here we have 5 square, which is 25 times minus 1 over 25. Is it equals to, also we have 25 over 25 times minus 1. And next step here, we have 25 cancel each other here, minus 1 left. Is it equals to, also 25 cancel each other, 1 over minus 1 here. And here we have minus 1, which is equals to 1 over minus 1, also minus 1. Left hand side also equals to right hand side. Then 5i satisfy this given problem. Also, we substitute x equals to minus 5i. Then this equation becomes minus 5i all square over 25. Is it equals to 25 over minus 5i all squared? Then this square affects minus, become plus, affects 5, that's 25. And it also affects I minus 1 over 25. Is it equals to, also here we have 25 over 25 times minus 1. And here 25 cancelled each other, we have minus 1. Is it equals to, also here 25 cancel each other, we have 1 over minus 1. And this here, minus 1 equals to 1 over minus 1, also minus 1. Left hand side equals to right hand side. That is, x equals to minus 5i. Satisfy this given problem as well. Thank you for watching. Don't forget these tips. Subscribe for more videos and turn notification bell on. Share this video with a thumbs up and put your comments. See you next class and bye for now.